Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to use a Twic card for TSA Precheck. Many TWIC or Transportation Worker Identification Credential cardholders meet the criteria for the TSA Precheck application program and may be eligible for expedited screening at airports. To qualify, you must have a valid TWIC card and meet the following requirements. You must be a US citizen, US lawful permanent resident, or US national. You need to be approved for a TWIC outside TSA's waiver process, and you must not be under investigation as a result of TSA's recurrent vetting. If you meet these criteria, you can participate in the TSA Precheck program by locating the customer identification number on the back of your TWIC card. When making airline reservations with a participating airline, enter the CIN in the Known Traveler Number field. This allows the airline to recognize your eligibility for TSA Precheck. You can also add your CIN to your airline profile if you frequently fly with the same airline, which ensures that your known traveler status is automatically applied to your future bookings. For more detailed information about using your Twic card for TSA Precheck, visit the TSA Precheck for the Twic website. If you found this video helpful, you can thank me with a like and subscribe to the channel. See you in another video.